Let's go. I try not to do too much Blender today. Let's do some WebGL instead. I want to work on the reveal. Something that's supposed to work on everything. I think we will have to modify the material. Or at least it's all the same material, so I guess we can do that quite easily. Maybe. Where is it? The world. Ah, yeah, the environment. All right. All right. Oh, it's not working. All right. So, how can we modify this material? Actually, it's very hard. Mesh standard material are so complex to like recreate. Actually, maybe I have a code somewhere. Yeah, I think I can just take the code from somewhere else. Ah, yeah, I know. Yeah, but I modified it so much. Probably not a good idea. We can test. Yeah, let's see. Oof, we have so many objects. Oops. 500 objects in the scene. Might be an issue. Let's see how many materials. Contains? No, it's not contains. Includes. Actually, I need to check if it's a mesh. Whoops, I need Three.js, obviously. Okay, I think all we have are meshes, but anyway, let's do that. Oh, check that. We only have 13 materials. Oh, this is cool. This is really cool. Yeah, we have one material per thing we did in the substance painter. This is great. This is how we can have so many objects but good performances. So yeah, we just need to change those. So how are we going to change that? By the way, I'm trying new songs. I hope they're really copyright free. They are supposed to be. So, yeah, we need a material. And I can get that from another project. It was the brush thing. Was it? Maybe not. Am I connecting brush? Oh, I can't find it. Look like I lost the project. No. No. I can take it from here. So sorry, I'm trying to find a project where I did like I extended the mesh standard material because we need to change the mesh standard material, but it's such a complex material, so hard to recreate. Oh, maybe it was this one. Yeah, points physical material. Points physical material. All right, it's here. Cool. Yeah, okay, that's it. Let's try. Maybe it's a bad idea. Maybe it will be too complex. Anyway, I can just inject codes inside the mesh standard material if I need. Just prefer to completely override it. How can we call it? Environment material? Yeah, let's do that. All right, here's the code. So, it can handle environment maps, fog, color, roughness, metalness. Yeah, this is new. This will break all the default parameters. And yes, exactly, you have to change those, the properties of the material, so that the shaders get updated too. Yeah, it's really complex. All right, let's test this. It doesn't work with bump map. We don't care about this. Emissive map, that might be an issue. Actually, I think I can find this from another project. In vertex color, we don't have that. So maybe we would have troubles with the emissive map. All right, let's see. From the course? Yeah. I mean, to inject code? Yeah, absolutely. If I can't create my own custom material, I will do just like in the course and just include the code inside of it. Thank you. What's weird is that for me it's classic day. There is no like weekend or Bastille Day or whatever. So yeah, let's try with this one. We need the shaders. We can take them here. Environment, material or not? Environment. No, let's just use that. Oops, supposed to be a folder. Yeah, like that. Environment. Okay. Yeah, I think I can then inject code. Let's do like the minimal thing as usual. Void main GL position. I will change all of this right after. I wonder if the latest version of Three.js did some changes. I think so. Unfortunately, yeah, we're going to have some troubles. I'm quite sure of it. They improved some... what was this feature? Something about transparency. I forgot. So projection matrix. Yeah, let's use the model view right now. Model view matrix. Like 4 position. All right. GL for color. I have the mic in front of the keyboard, yeah. All right, so we have 2 basic. I hope I didn't do any mistake there. We need to change that to environment. What color, vertex? Did I wrote it right? Yeah, I hope. Yeah, it's the right one. Then we should get rid of that. Or maybe later. Physically, yeah. Okay. Yeah, true. That's very true. Use point. No, this is very specific to another project. Right now, I'm just trying to recreate the mesh standard material, but I took it from another project where it was with the points. It was a mix between mesh standard material and points material, which was a bit hard to do. So that's the reason why we have some points references. U size 2, we can get rid of that. UV map, yes. Alpha map, yeah, totally. AO map, yep. Actually, we didn't bake any AO map. That might be good. Yeah, we'll see later if it's interesting. I don't think I will do it. It's quite dark already, but it can bring some cooler like details. Normal map, obviously. Metalness map, roughness map, yep. The environment map, we didn't add any environment map. Yeah, it's a bit too dark anyway. I don't think it's interesting there. Oh cool, I'm handling both fogs, I guess. And the color, metalness, brush texture, nope, that's gone. Alpha test, nope. Can get rid of it, but let's just comment. Lights, true. All right, we can test that. Okay, cool. The idea now is to replace every material with this new material. It's going to break, that's for sure. Let's see how fast I can fix that. Environment material. Oh, nice. Jazzy. Doucement. Okay. Non. Qu'est-ce qui t'arrive? Oh yeah, the haunted house. So much coming. So much coming. So... Oh, how can I replace them? But on the right objects. Oh, I don't know that. Can I use maybe an ID? I think we have IDs on every materials. Yeah, see that? UUID. Maybe I can use that. Okay. Maybe if I replace by an object. If type of materials, child material, UUID equal undefined. So if we don't have this one in our material, so now it's an object, we add it. Equal child material. That's probably not the best solution, but I don't see how I can replace the material for every object and put back the only one material, one replacing material. So if I do that, did I break something? We get the materials. Yeah, okay, it's working again. So we have the same thing, but it's an object. And right now what I can do is replace those. Or maybe we need something more complex, like a base material, new material. I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe I should do that after. Yeah, let's separate those. So first we traverse it, we get some materials. Those are the materials. All right. Oops, material key is not defined. Oh, never mind. All right, so now we have the IDs. Why was I doing that? Ah, yeah, now we need to recreate them. So the base material is this one. Well, I can change that in the end anyway. All right, so this is the base material. Yeah, at least I will have a way to control every materials at once. That'll get useful. So that's the base material. Let's create a new one. So new material equal, oops. Yep, and I think I need to change to send parameters. Yeah, that's it. And that's the complex part. Let's just put the map from the base material. Map, just like that. Did it work? Yeah, like so. And we can just save it back. Actually, yeah, I can do a for off, like material of materials. And yeah, I can keep this one. All right, now we have the old materials, the new material. I don't really need the old ones, but might get useful later. Oopsie, is not iterable. Oh yeah, I cannot do that on an object. That's boring. All right, let's do it back. Material key. Okay. So those are the new materials. Okay, it's a shader material, and I think we just put the uniforms with a map. Yeah, that's the one. And the uniforms, supposed to be one named map. Yeah, with a texture in it. All right, so we should get a very different version because there will be only maps. But at least we can test. So we traverse it again. Oh, maybe we can save all the objects that need to be applied on it. Oh yeah, that sounds like a good idea. So many ways of doing that. I don't know what's the best one. Well, let's traverse it back. So we traverse it again and we put back the material according to the name. So, if it's a mesh, material equals material for the ID. Not a big fan. New material. All right, let's see. Let's see the mess. Yay! It's working. Yeah, actually, we can't see the map, but at least we are adding back the material, so it's working fine. What's that? Ah, we can't see the back by default. True. Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. Some objects we need to be able to see the back. Yeah, talking about those. All right, can we get back the map at least? So this is the vertex. So the goal here is to have mesh standard material, but with our own code so that we can do a reveal. It will be on the fragment, but I think we are going to need to send some variables to it. Varyings, I mean. Where's the code? It's there. Standard base. Yeah, I'm sure it's not going to work. Can I? Oh, maybe I can do that. So let's see. Please. Nah, it's not working. Yeah, it's the transmission. Yeah, remember that. Okay, so we have troubles here because Three.js has been updated for better transmission. So we need to fix that. And I just think I'm going to take it from Three.js code. Yeah, let's dig Three.js itself. Where are you? There. Project. Might not be that hard actually. Because supposedly I can just take the code. They didn't change anything else, so source. Yeah, okay, that's Three.js. And renderer, shaders. Lib mesh. So it was mesh standard, but the name is not standard. Physical, yeah. All right, that's the one. How different is it? Yeah, see? Yeah, some differences with the transmission stuff. All right, that's why. Like this. Nope. Map Excel to linear. Oh yeah, I know about that. I know about that, and I have troubles to fix that every time. Oh wait, did I put the fragment on it? I need to put this one. The vertex. Yeah, okay. First mistake. Okay, we got it back. V-normal, not used. Okay, that's perfectly normal. Then this. Like that. Please. Oh, yeah. See, it's back. What's that? Okay, shadow map seems to be working. Weirdly, but that's normal. It's actually much better than expected. Anyway, we need to add the rest. So, let's get rid of those and those. We're going to add our own uniform soon. Oof, what's that? Yeah, something I didn't implemented. Object space normals. Maybe. Not sure I can do that. Maybe not on stream at least. Hey, graphic card. You're streaming every day. You did stream this morning? Ah, thank you. Oh, you can learn how to do that. Ah, okay. Chill. Jour férié. So where is it? It's there. Okay, so we need to put back everything. We have the map. I don't know how many we need to put back actually. It's gonna be so complex. Maybe I can take all the uniforms. Can I? Let's try at least the normal map. Normal map. Oh, no, see, we have troubles here. Yeah, maybe just change the other one and it will work. Roughness map. Metalness map. Yeah, let's put everything back. Okay. Well, it's not bad. We have many other parameters. Yeah? We have troubles with the shadow. My guess is... Oh no, it's not that. So if we put it back, it was looking like this. And ours is looking... Oh, we are not that far actually. Check that. Oh, GitHub Copilot, yeah. Never tested. Neither did I. I'm not very convinced by the Copilot. I think it's funny. I don't think I will use it ever. Maybe it's the future. We have something really strange with the shadow. Yeah, the shadow is all messed up. I have no idea what's happening there. React 3 Fiber? I did try. I think it's good, but I won't use it. I don't like to add abstraction layers. I like to keep things simple and have as much control as possible. Three.js is already a huge abstract over the WebGL library, but still very, very useful. I like to keep it as complex as that, not more. So I don't use React 3 Fiber, but I think it's great. And you can do something like in a few minutes, very fast. Why do we have this difference? I don't know what's happening. That's quite a bummer. Yeah, maybe the bias is not working. Maybe we need to add the bias back. What do we have? Three.js, mesh, standard, material. I need to check all the materials and make sure that I put them back. So we have the map, the alpha map. Yeah, let's put everything back. Map. Even if there is none, let's put them. If it's null, it stays null. Yeah, it shouldn't break anything. Alpha map, AO map. Alright. We don't have AO map, but let's put it back. Displacement map. We don't have displacement back, but let's put it back. Normal map we did. Metalness. So normal map, normal map. Okay, that's the next one. Displacement, normal, metalness map. Yeah. Roughness map, environment map. So many maps. It's end map, yeah. Fog color. I don't think we will use any fog. The roughness, the metalness, and it didn't change anything. That's a bummer. Yeah, I don't know. This is weird. Is it a bias? The bias is on the light. That's why I don't think it's the bias problem. Like this one is working. Maybe the bias in the end is used inside the object shader. So yeah, this is the bias. And if I remove the bias, yeah, no, it has nothing to do with the bias. What can be the problem? Yeah, the video will be removed soon from Twitch, but I will put them on YouTube as soon as I'm finished with creating the introductions, thumbnail, stuff like that. So don't worry, it will be on YouTube. Okay, so those lights are really a problem, but I think I can't do much about that. I mean, those shadows. I don't know why it's doing that. There's some kind of offset. Too bad. Okay, so we did all this to be able to control how it looks from the fragment shader. So in the fragment shader, if I do something like point R plus equal 0.5, it's supposed to be red. Yeah, it's working. All right, cool. So now we can control the material. What do we need? The mesh standard material is so huge. Each one of those contains many lines of code. And we might need to get into those, but I don't think we have the world position, so I think I can safely add this one. View position, nope. World position, oh, that's interesting. Yeah, that's the problem with includes like this. We can't see without going into the code, so let's go. World position vertex, it's a chunk. World position vertex. And it's the model matrix multiplied by the, oh, that's actually maybe the one I need. I didn't thought we had this. Oh, but it's only if you use transmission. Okay. Yeah, that's the part where code might break if we mix features. Create a mist to reveal the landscape. Yeah, that's the idea. Not a mist. We're going to, I think I would create like a reveal with a perling noise, and it will kind of teleport, spread from the center. We start there and spread like plasma, maybe, and reveal everything. Probably with some delay on the object so that that doesn't show up at the same time. We might have issues with the shadows because shadows are not going to be animated. Actually, it should be fine. But yeah, that's the idea, having a reveal. It's important because at the beginning of the experience, you will see the portal, but the rest will take like many seconds to load. So we need to add some reveal. I will also work on the loader. Okay, let's try to make this V world position. Actually, I can maybe just comment this and hopefully not break anything. I need to do it there too, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so now it's just saying that we need to add it there. Oh, it's not inside. It's inside an include. Transmission, yeah, it's probably inside this one. Transmission parse vertex shadow. Alright, cool. V world position not red. Yeah. If you add it, it's not enough. You need to use it. So first we can do a quick test by the length. So length distance to center equal length. If length is above 1.0, we discard. And I think it's going to cut it. Oh, not working. Maybe more. Yeah, okay, it's working. Nice. At least we already have like this reveal. Start of a reveal. A disk. Yeah, it's working. Nice. We need a debug UI, as always. Should have added this one before. Let's use TwigPan this time. Last time we used GUFI. I'm going to use TwigPan. Maybe it's already in the project actually. Package. Twig. No, it's not in. Okay, let's get TwigPan. For the reveal, we can use 3D pairing. I mean, it's bad for performances, but once it's done, maybe we can recompile the materials without it. We'll kind of freeze for half a second after the reveal, but we'll see. TwigPan, yeah. TwigPan npm. Is that the name? Yeah, it's TwigPan. By the way, tell me if the music is too loud. I changed to Spotify playlist and I have a huge fan blowing on me, so can't hear the music that much. It's not TwigPan actually. What's that? Okay, it is. So how do we use TwigPan? I used it only once on another project. Documentation is not bad, but not complete. So sometimes it's a bit hard to guess, and I can't dig the code. I don't know why, but the code is not available that easily. Whoops. Command G. Yeah, okay. So let's add it. Actually, I have another project. Yeah. GitHub. Yeah, I can use that. Debug folder. Yeah, okay. Let's go. So can I just do that? Yeah. So this is my debug. Strangely, there is nothing by default, but obviously we are going to add some stuff. Why call them pan? Let's call them tweak pan. Well, actually, okay, you need to call it pan. All right. Look at that. To make it bigger, yeah, and have a limit on the 8. Maybe I don't need that. Yeah, it's in case it's scrollable. Okay, so it's supposed to be bigger. Alright, cool. Now we have access to it. So what we can do is environment, create a debug here. No, that's the material. Yeah, let's do that at the beginning. Debug. Gonna call it environment. Yeah, okay, we have folders, and to add to the folder, it's add input, I guess. Is it? No, add blade. Ah, right, it works with blade. Nah. Oh, sorry, actually I can put it in this screen. Yeah. Oh, the website is on. All right. Yeah, it's add input. All your videos, oh, it's gonna take ages. This one is so long, actually. It's the part 6, 5 or 6, 2 hours every part, something like that. I will create a time-lapse version. So I wanted to play with. Yeah, I remember. We have it working, so it's there, and I want to be able to control the distance. So I'm going to call this one. I put it on the wrong folder. Yeah, obviously. All right, this is the right one. Oops. Debug. Yeah, okay. Model, materials. Let's save it up, actually. Might get useful later. Okay, so now we need to send a custom material, uniform. It's going to be the same for every one of them, and I think that the material is already ready to have. Yeah, okay. You reveal progress. Value, I don't know, like 1. What was the number? 3, my bad. Actually, it's going to be from 0 to 1, so 0.5, and we can use it there. So it's going to be uniform u reveal. So it's a float. Progress. And we can do, I don't know, minus multiply by 6. Is it working? Yeah, okay. So now we have a uniform. We can change that uniform. Oh no, it's a bit more complicated because we need one uniform to update every materials, and we have 13 materials. So I'm going to create uniforms there. Oh, I don't like to do that. Yeah. A bit messy. Maybe I'll get back to that later. So you reveal progress, I said. Value 0.5, we said. And we need to update every new materials with this one. So it's going to be the reference. So that if we change only this one, it will change every materials. New material dot uniforms dot u reveal progress equal this one. And still working. Nice. Wait, there are fireworks and a bee at the same time. On se calme. No. Actually, I talk in French and English to dogs. Sometimes it's complex when you have like comments. Ça va, ma belle. Bah oui. C'est bon? Okay, she's fine. Still finishing? What lesson are you at? Puppy stream, yeah. I should put a camera on the dog. I have dogs like half of the time, something like that. Allez, on descend. Particles? Oh, you have a long way ahead. But that's a good start. So, now we can play with that. Set uniforms. I don't want to create debugs in the middle of the code, but I think I will have to. Alright, let's do it for now. Add input. Yeah, I don't know how you write an input. Where is the doc? Ah, it's there. Alright. So this is the object, so the concerned object. In our case, it's this one. Then you need to provide the name of the property. So for us, it's the value. A min value, which will be 0. A max value, which will be 1. I like to have progress that goes from 0 to 1. Oh, wait. This has to be an object. Oops. And it's working. Check that out. Nice. Always start with a very simple version and then iterate and add more complexity to it. So we need three things. Yeah, at least two. We need a better pattern. Even if I like circle, we're going to use Perlin because you know I love Perlin. And then I'm going to add also like a glow effect on the side. So yeah, let's go. Let's start with the Perlin. We need to import that. I think it will go through a JSLify, so it should be fine if I import something from the partials. Yeah, maybe. Maybe not. There you go. Jazzy. Is she in the bedroom? Yuna? Okay, everybody's sleeping. Sorry. Tu fais quoi là? No. Sorry. The sphere to reveal. You don't like a Perlin? Actually, it's gonna be a mix between Perlin and non-Perlin. It will start from the center, but I don't think we will have like this shape. Ah, maybe it's cool. Should we add a Perlin or not? New to web development? What kind of web development? He said you're new to web development. Front, back, full stack, creative. First, you have to decide on that. Actually, you can just try and, until you know what you like. So I'm going to add the Perlin, and if it's bad, we get rid of it. We have to try stuff anyway. So get Perlin 3D. Can we just write it like that, please? Work. Yeah, it's working. Okay, so now we can use that. We're going to base it on the vword position. Perlin strength. XYZ. Really? I thought it was separated. Oh, nice. Check that. Music is way too loud. I don't know for you guys, but I can't focus. Yeah, I would have said the opposite. It really depends on where you want to work, but most companies need very separated jobs. I mean, post. Unless it's like a startup might need, or small agency might need someone that can do almost everything. Studios too, like digital studios. We have some very small digital studio in Paris that I'd like to have a very full stack developers. But I think you can focus on whatever you like, and you will find a job as long as you get good at what you do. And you do it right. Hey, Tokyo, Japan, what time is it for you in Japan? Let me guess, should be like morning? Marrakesh? Yeah, front-end is fine. Oh, 0. Oh, okay. I thought it was the morning. So wrong. Okay, so we have the Perlin here. We need much more details. Perlin, maybe multiply by 10. Yeah, and then we can play on the reveal. Distance, do we need to play with sender distance? Distance to center. Reveal progress equal distance to center. Oh, I'm a bit tired. I can't do like math like that. Usually when I can't do simple math, it's just I'm too tired. I should have done that in the morning. Always do this kind of stuff in the morning. Distance to center plus the Perlin. Yeah, maybe. The Perlin is way too high. Let's keep it actually. And then we can test this. We might have to... Yeah, broke it. What? Okay, let's forget the reveal, the pairing for a moment. Oh, I broke everything. 0.1. If the pairing strength. Oh, okay. Got everything wrong. If the distance to center. Yeah, no, what did I do exactly? I messed up everything. I don't know what I'm doing. I will get back to Blender. It was so much easier. If the distance is above the, it was the U revealed progress multiplied by 6. I just want to get back to what we had before. Yeah, okay, so this is fixed and we can just add to that the reveal progress. So, okay, so distance to center plus that. Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, nice. So we still have the, oops, the round shape, but it's a bit randomized, too precise. Yeah, math pie, true. Yeah, okay, that's cool. That's cool, very cool. Maybe more there. Yeah, I like it. But we need this glow effect I want on the edges there. How can we get that? So reveal progress. Can I show it there? GF frag color, reveal progress. Like 3, reveal progress. 0.0. Yeah, okay, so it's not good yet. We add the pen into it. Maybe we need to multiply it. Oh no, we need to divide it. 6.0. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's perfect. Or is it? No, wait, it's weird. To the reveal progress. What am I? No, I'm. What's that? That's the moment I'm just trying values until I get something I like. All right, so this reveal progress, it's probably below 0. So if we do abs on it, the more tired I am and the more I do that. I got the same thing. Oh, come on. Oh, wait, no. Okay, now the edges are blue, always blue. See? Okay. Yeah, I can dig that. I would just put maybe a minus on it. Yeah, maybe I can do plus reveal progress divided by it plus, and if it's above, I mean below, and this doesn't have to be apps. Do we get the same result? Nah, obviously. Yeah, no, I messed up. Let's put it back. Nope. Yep. All right, so now we have this value. It's 0 when it's close to the edge. I need the opposite. So float, let's call it plasma strength. equal, and we say it's apps of the reveal progress. I can just do a minus maybe. Let's clamp it. So clamp edges and then value. No, I think it's value and then edges. One minus that. All right. So it's supposed to be red. I mean, more red. Is it? So white on the edges. Oh, yeah, okay, that's it. All right, cool. Nice, nice, nice. Plasma strength. So we need it to be much smaller. Should we just multiply this? One minus a clump. Yeah, exactly. The clump is just to have something between 0 and 1, but then I do 1 minus that. Maybe you don't need it, but I think it might mess up with something else if we don't do that, so I did it. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. That's very cool. We can play with that. Yeah, it's revealing. Maybe let's add a bit more. Oh, we can control. We are going to control all of these parameters later. It should be fine. Plasma strength. I think we can play with the outgoing light. Yeah, that's it. This is kind of the final color without talking about the alpha, right? In Three.js, it's the what you get. It's the light, the outgoing lights. It's what goes out from the material. So this is why it's called like that. So we need to fix it, to mix it, sorry. So we are going to mix between this. I'm going to use a classic green color. We're going to mix this green color too. We're going to do a lot of mixes. It's going to be with, so I said a vec. So first the green color, so vec3, red, green, blue, according to the plasma strength. Is it? Nope. Yeah, okay, that was the opposite. Yeah, okay, because it's the plasma strength. That was logical. Nice. Check that. By its maximum, yeah. Yeah, I think you can do that. Oh, just, I mean, for the thing between 0 and 1? Yeah, no, you better clamp it, I think. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm quite happy with that. I wonder if we should take those colors back. I think we need something really white on the edges. Oh, maybe we can do a step so that it's sharp on the edges. Like white, sharp stroke on the edges. And then a mix between this color, or maybe just this color actually. All right, let's try something with those. We are going to send the color first. We have the color somewhere actually. In the portal maybe. Yeah, here. So this is the white. Yeah, it looks white. Yeah. It's not totally white actually. This is probably the next green, so the outer green, which is probably the one we are going to use. And those we don't really care. Okay, let's take those. Do we need to be able to tweak them? Probably not. Those are colors from Rick and Morty. We use a picture to get those colors, but I think it's the real color in Rick and Morty. So I'm not going to tweak them. Oh, no, not at the right position. Actually, I think I can get rid of that. Yeah, because we are changing it here. So I wanted to play with those. We need names. Plasma color 1, maybe? Okay, the 1 will be on the far outside, and the 2 will be a bit closer. So this should be this one. All right. First, we're going to just change the color of the green. Should be easy. Where is it? There. So it's color 1. No, it's the opposite. So it's color 2. Yeah, color 2. Vec 3. And we mix. Okay, so not this green, this green. Nope. Okay, if it's black like that, usually it's because the uniform hasn't been sent. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. I need to send it manually. Yeah, okay. Uniforms. Can I do it a smart way? So those and those. Push? Can we push it? Push them? Am I breaking everything? Eh. It doesn't like that. Okay, if I put them manually. Alright. That's ugly as fuck. It's not the right color. What did I do? Ooh, I think it's because of the tone mapping. Yeah. Not the tone mapping, the sRGB encoding. We are going to cheat. Yeah. We're going to change it after everything. Yeah, we can just test that actually. Yeah, see? Yeah, let's cheat. It's okay. We do it after, so that we don't have to sRGB encode our direct color. Actually, maybe we can do that with Three.js. Can we encode sRGB, convert linear to... Oh, nice. Check that. We can just convert those. So this was this one. Yeah. Color 2. sRGB encoding, tone mapping, all of those are so annoying but so important. Can really change everything in your scene. So it's important. Convert linear to sRGB. I don't know this. I'm just trying. So let's see where it goes. Nah, it's not working. Maybe it creates something new. Convert linear to sRGB. Was it the 2 or was it the first one? It was uColor Plasma 2. Why are you not working? RGB, so G. I'm gonna send it there and there. Yeah, it did change. So we are sending a new version. Should we do the opposite? RGB to linear? No. Okay. That's weird. Why would it be like that? We convert it from sRGB. Oh, because we took them from an image that was in sRGB? Oh yeah, maybe. Okay. You know what? Okay. Color 1. Let's do the same for this one. Get useful right after. And we put it here. Maybe variable and then use that to convert one. Yeah, no. Yeah, I thought 2, but no, it was just because I was converting in the wrong direction. Yeah, exactly. That's the problem with math. You're like, oh, we don't need math in real life. Then you start to create games and you're like, oh, maybe it's useful. And then you start shaders and you're like, shit, I should have listened to the teacher. Especially matrices. Like we learn matrices, but it makes no sense when you're a student, high school student learning about matrices. That makes no sense. But then you need matrices. Matrices? Do I say it right? Not the mattress for the bed. Huh? Matrices maybe. Hey, free Paul. Part of my question. Oh wait, there's a big question from Tonio. I want to build a website where I sell clothing online with a creative front end. Since I don't have any knowledge in backend, I wanted to ask you what would be the easiest way to do the backend coding of this project. Or you should definitely use pre-made solutions like it depends on how good you are at doing backend, but the easiest solution is what's the name? Shopify. Shopify is great, not that hard, but still you will have to do some backend. Otherwise, you are going to need a pre-made solution, and I don't know those. But I know that Shopify is really good. With a small knowledge, you can create your store. Yeah, you don't need them, but at a point, this can be the solution, and you will be like, okay, I don't know. Fortunately, there are a lot of libraries from NPM that can handle the matrices quite fast. You won't believe how many matrices are running right now. Obviously, you don't have to write them because we are using Three.js. Sometimes you can do something by yourself using those, but fortunately, because of Three.js, you don't have to use matrices a lot. If a house is static and it has a door with Three.js, you can now, yeah. All right, let's continue. So I wanted to add the edge, like a bit more like sharp edge. We're going to use the white color. Doucement, doucement. Jazzy, non. Non. C'est bien, ma belle. C'est bien. So, yeah, I'm already sending the color. Did I? Yeah, it's this one, I think. You can get it there. You pass my color, and we're going to do a mix again between the outgoing light again, this mix color, and it's going to be a step of the plasma. And for the step, I think you need to provide the edge first. Yeah, that's it. Nice. But much smaller. No, that's the opposite. Trying to learn Three.js. Yeah, I'm the solution if you want to learn. Now, there are many other tutorials. You need to just mix them and Three.js Journey and you will learn. All right, that's cool. I'm not a big fan of how soft this color is, the green one. Anyway, it's going to be animated, so maybe it's not that bad. Should we try to do a step on this one too? Oh no, the opposite. Step 0.5, is it better? Yeah, I don't know what's the best. Maybe a mix between the step and the non-step. It's getting messy if I multiply those. Oh yeah, that's cool. We have a mix between two of them. So it's kind of revealed, but not too much. Maybe we can dig that. 3. Let's see. Yeah, like that. That's pretty cool. Nice. Oh, we need a way to finish it. Oh, actually, maybe we can keep it like that. So that we have the edges. It's strange because it's really like the edges of the model. I think I got it right, but it was really lucky if I put 10. Look at that. I think this one is gonna be wrong. Yeah, see, it's going too far. Let's try 7 maybe. Oh, 7 looks fine. Maybe too far actually. Alright, that's really cool. Really, really cool. You guys want to test? I can push it. Joker smoke grenade. What Joker? From Batman? Oh, what's that? Oh, nice. I'd like to see it if you have a picture, maybe. You can post links in the chat. Maybe I should not say that. Currently, we can post links in the chat. I might change that later. Alright, that's really cool. Really cool. If we use Perlin 4, we can animate it. Should we? You know, it's a bad idea. But you know I will do it. Perlin 4, we are going to send a vec4. Now that we have it always on the edges, I think we should animate it. So yeah, let's see. Whoop, what did you do? Okay, you tried to share a base 44. Don't share a base 44. What did I break? Oh, maybe I don't have a Perlin 4D. Oh yeah, okay. We need it. GLSL, classic Perlin 4D. Should we do that? I'm worried about performances. 4D is really bad for performances. Check how huge is the code. Oh, come on. Actually, stop there. Periodic version. No, we are going to use the default one. We don't need it to be periodic. Yeah, you messed up. It's okay. So this one is the 4D. We need to send it. Get Perlin noise 4D. And we export it. 4D. Did it work? Nope, I broke everything. We can't find it. Get Perlin noise 4D. Get Perlin noise 4D. What's the matter? Can't find it, but it's right here. Yeah, I got something wrong. Okay, it was just Webpack messing up. Alright, so strangely it's a bit different, but that's not an issue. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I animated it. Okay, let's go. We need to send the U time as always. We can check if it has been updated. Let me see. Come on. Yeah, you can test it live. Let me send you the link. Here you go. That's the URL. I'm really worried about the shadow. I really don't know what's happening there. It's being offsetted. Oh, no, I really don't know what's happening. Oh, maybe. No. No, never mind. Yeah, I don't know. That's weird. Hopefully people will not be too close to it. Yeah, I think performances are going to be bad for some of you. Sorry for that. I want it to look cool more than having good performances. All right, let's animate it. So I said we need to send a uniform. Okay. U time, by default, it's gonna be 0. C'est quoi ce bruit? Hey, Jazzy. We need to update it. And we need the time. And when we update it, so I guess we are creating it inside of this one. Yeah. Only when it's loaded, so I need to test that. Yeah, okay, like that. Environment. Did I got it right? Yeah, looks like so. Yeah. It's funny because I think you can see on it with the right orientation because it's, yeah, you need to be well oriented to see it. Don't open dead inside. We got the time. We need to send the time. So you reveal progress. Yeah, right here. And now we can use it. It's quite long just to get the time inside those materials. It's such a complex material. Then we can use it there. Yeah, here. It's gonna be way too fast, but at least we can check if it's working. Yeah, okay. It's a bit excited. Please animate me. What? Oh, never mind. It's the opposite. Yeah, nice. Really cool. A bit too fast. Doesn't need to catch the eye too much. Should be subtle. Yeah, that's cool. And we can just keep it like that. Yeah, it's cool. It's a bit weird because it's very like regular, but I don't mind. At least it's well clamped. Doucement. Okay, that's cool. Let me just get some water. think we can already animate it. Like when it's loaded, I mean. And we should add the loader too. Web component? No need. Okay, so review progress. Probably from should we animate it from inside the world? Oh, actually, we add the environment only when everything is loaded. So we can add the portal before. We are not using any resources in the portal, so we do that. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is the animation inside the portal. And then from inside the environment, we just need to tweak it. Do we have GSAP already? Let's see GSAP. I'm going to try something else. Not for this project. All right. So the default value is 0, and we immediately, we wait a frame. Yeah, always wait a frame when you're doing WebGL before animating, because the first frame, and you have a lot of things being loaded on the GPU and it might freeze. So always wait a frame before animating anything. It's a bit messy to have everything inside the constructor. Maybe I should move stuff. Yeah, let's do that here, and I'm going to separate stuff. Duration, I don't know. 5 seconds. Is, let's do power 3 in and out. And the value has to go to 1. And I said wait for a frame. So request animation frame. Yeah, like that maybe. If you don't import GSAP, it's not going to work. And yeah, it was a bit weird. Like we had a delay. Actually, that's what's weird is that when you have 0, you can't see it. Should be able. Oh, okay, because it's starting from there. So maybe we need to find the right value. Maybe like 0.13. Yeah, so it's going to be from to. 0.13. Yeah, nice. What about something even more slowly? It's weird because we have to wait a bit. Maybe we just need a out, power 3 out, so that it starts fast. Maybe too fast. Let me see again. And how about in, out, like that? Yeah. Not convinced. Okay, that's not bad. I was wondering if we play more with the what's the name? The Perlin Where do we change its strength? Oh yeah, that's the one. How about we keep 1.0? So yeah, obviously we see a bit too much there. A bit weird, but still I think it's slightly better. Let's put 0.5. Well, it's not that straight on the edges. Yeah, I like it better. This part is weird. Oh, it's going a bit too far. So it's not... Yeah, let's keep 0... 0 point... Oh, sorry. 6.5 maybe. Yeah. Sometimes it's weird when you can see like two at a time, but I like the fact that you can see it clearly on this one. Would have been strange with 2D pairing in 3D in that case, because we are using the time too. Oh yeah, this is cool. Really cool. Like portal in another dimension. Yeah, it's fine. I like it. Alright, cool. I'm gonna push this one too. Oh, actually, no. I forgot something. At the beginning, I think you can see it. Or maybe not. I thought you could see it. Oh, it's fine. Okay. Yeah, just improve. Should be fine. Oh wait, I didn't push the reveal? What? I thought I did. Oh, I didn't push the 4D version. Alright, cool. 3D toi-même avant de les incorporer avec Three.js. Oh, do I make my 3D model myself? Depends. Like for those, yes. And as you can see, it's pretty bad. See how sharp they are. But it really depends on the project. Like if it's a like huge client project, usually I work with a 3D modeler, 3D artist. And as always, I can give you the best one ever. Twitter. Romain Brio. I did a lot of projects, and actually there is one that should come out tomorrow. Sorry, next week. That we did with Romain Brio. You will see like a lot of 3D in this one. Let me check. No, he didn't talk about this one. Yeah, he does a lot of 3D, and we did quite a lot of project. We did Zenly actually. Maybe you saw this one. It was also with Celia Lopez. She's great too. Up. Oh, no, I did a mistake. I can't pass in OBS. I don't know if it's a bug or if it's me. Okay, I really can't pass it. What the hell? Alright. And lately, and actually you can see the website. I don't know if I can talk about this one, but I did one with Bonhomme Paris too. Where it's against another 3D artist that did it. Bonhomme Paris? No, that's not it. Bonhomme Paris? You can't find it by doing Bonhomme Paris? Yeah, anyway, we'll talk about that. That's it. Come on. It's not working. Yeah, but I'm still wondering if I can talk about it. I don't know. Oh, the contact page, what the hell? Oh, we have an English version? Not sure it's working. Yeah, but for like personal projects, I do it myself. My portfolio, I did it myself. It was also because I like to do 3D. This one also, the next one you will see, I will probably do all the models myself. I'm gonna ask if I can talk about this project. Wait, give me just a moment. while I'm waiting for the answer, let's continue. We need a loader because some of you might have seen that it's a pretty huge website. How heavy is it? Let me check. Oh, 62 megabytes. Yeah, that's a lot. So if you have a good connection, it's fine, good bandwidth, but yeah, let's add a loader anyway. I don't know how the loader should be. Maybe not in the middle because we can see the portal. Maybe we can do a loader inside the portal. No, that would be weird. Maybe on the top. What's the best solution for that? Can we have like a Rick and Morty reference for the loading part? If you have ideas on how the loader should look like, please tell me. Yeah, we'll start with just getting the progress anyway, so I can start with that. Experience, we don't need this one, we don't need this one, and we don't need this one. All right, cool. So yeah, I've updated it again. The URL is the same. The typography of what website? Bonhomme Paris? They are good designers, so probably, yeah. So, okay, the loader. How can I handle this? I think I have events. Okay, let's see how resources are working. Yeah, we have an event, which is progress, or it's gonna be easy. Resources. What? We only got one. Oh, okay, because there is only one GLB file. Ah, okay, I get it. It's not going to be that easy. Here's the loader, and for GLB, we have the load event. File load end. Yeah, that was a mistake. Okay. The GRB probably triggers a lot of events, but my resources class doesn't. I don't know if I can fix that easily. Let's see the GLTF loader class. Yeah, while loading is progressing. So the first parameter is the resource. The second parameter is that. And the third parameter is the progress. Yeah. We only got 6 events. Here you go. Ça va? Ça va? Okay, 8. No, that's not possible. We can't have 8 events. Should have way more events. What did I do? Okay. Maybe if I use GLTF instead. That's weird. Oh, maybe... Ah, we have really like the progress? No way. Let's throttle. Okay. So it's being triggered every few milliseconds. This is loading. Oh, it's so slow. Yeah, let's make it a bit faster. Oh yeah, like that. Add, I'm gonna call this one plus. Can I do multiply by 4? No, it doesn't like it. Actually, it's bytes, not octet. It's still slow. What did I change then? So weird, like I'm changing it, but it doesn't change anything in the end. Okay, you have to change it back. Chrome is not saving new parameters. All right, so here we have more information. Yeah, we can have some details. Problem is I don't have the details here. According to the class, we can get the progress, something like that. Yeah, okay. That's so precise, actually. That's weird. Yeah, and only one final event. That's the problem. I don't know, what should we do? Should I change the whole thing or not? Sorry, it's a bit boring. I just don't know how to handle that exactly. I have this resources class, but it doesn't trigger for every part of the loading. Only file by file, and right now all I have is one file. So it's hard to have a progress bar like this. In the end, I will have probably only one file. Probably. Oh, by the way, is it working with the GRTF? Yeah, I need to test that because I'm going to optimize the texture, so I need to be able to export the texture separately. So file, export, GRTF, bin and texture. Yeah, let's see what we get with that. Assets, environment, we need those. All right, cool. Oh, it's a bit longer. Then, yeah, see, we have all those details. Cool. I can get rid of the GRB. I can do that after. And we need to say to the assets to load not the GRB, but the GRTF. All right. Did I break everything? No, it looks fine. Is it loading? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, okay, everything is fine. Alright, cool. Back to the trackpad. Can get rid of this one. Yeah, this way I'm able to change every texture separately. As you can see, we have PNGs with lossless compression, which is why it's that heavy. If you remove the PNGs, I think it's not that heavy. Yeah, see, this is the geometry. It's only 75 kilobytes. Yeah, I think it's octet in France. This one is light 2 and the texture are just too big, but we can optimize them with basis. I don't know if I will do that on stream because it's long and not that interesting. So yeah, I don't know for the loading. Actually, I think I will do that another day, and I will start doing the modeling of the Rick and Morty objects. Yeah, let's do that. I have a list somewhere. So you're clearing the GLB since you only need the GLTF file to help the loader. Cleaning the GLB? No, I'm not cleaning anything. I mean, I removed the GLB because everything is embedded in inside the GLB, which is okay. But you can't change the textures separately if you're doing that. I don't know how I will change those because if I change the PNG to basis, I will have to change it inside of that too. Like here you can find all the references. Or I can do it manually. The problem is that every time you export from Blender, you will have to change the path to the images. Alright, cool. Let's do the modeling. Just start. I think it will be enough for today. So we have the references. I can't use the name references. Yeah, it's okay. I will just put those here, and the names are, I think, around here. Oh, also I needed to be able to change the color. Yeah, let's do that instead. Now that we have a tweak pan, we can add tweaks, and we can do that by copying this into this. Did I remove the logs? Oh yeah, we don't care about this one. Yeah, I want better colors and lights and lights position, so let's do this instead. So this is the same start with the debug. It's gonna be the portal. And shows up. Yep, yep. Those are the colors of the portal, which are fine, but we need to be able to change the color of the light. Yeah, that's it. So, how do we add colors? I don't know. Like this. Oh, you have to specify that it's a color. All right. And how do we get the event? I think you need to do on something. Yeah, we're going to test that. So yeah, first the color. Light, it's the color. View color. Okay, we should get this, perfect. But changing that doesn't change anything because we need to be able to know when it's changing. And the events. Oh nice, check that. On change, is it the only way? Yeah, I guess. On change. And we should have the new color there. Yeah, it's working. And now we need to put it back. Wait, is it working? Yeah, it's working. We need to put it back inside the instance. And inside the instance, I think it's a classic Three.js color. Yeah, that's it. So we can use set on it. Should have done this before. Right, so now we can tweak it. Nice, check that. So yeah, let's find a good color. I need to put that on another screen. The screen is so bad to choose the right color. Give me just a moment so that I can find a good color. Or like this, maybe. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Oh, performances are so bad. Oh, okay, it's because I have 2 instances, my bad. Yeah, I like it. I'm gonna show you soon. Or maybe more like this. Oh, I don't know, it's too hard to choose. Yeah, let's use this one for now. Yeah, that's JavaScript and Python in a few months by myself. Yeah, good luck. It's totally doable. You can really learn from yourself. You have so many tutorials everywhere, so it should be fine. And those are not that expensive. Some are free, actually. You can even learn from YouTube, so it should be fine. Yeah, this is JavaScript. We're using Three.js library. And if you want to learn Three.js, you should go there. Because this is the course I created. Here you go. With Three.js, you will be able to add 3D inside the browser. And it looks like this. And you can create something like this. That's my portfolio. Blender God. Yet again, so many tutorials. What a great time to learn Blender, JavaScript. All right, what was I doing? Oh yeah, adding tweaks. All right, cool. Still not a big fan. Should we have some blue in it? Yeah. Not sure. Problem is the difference between this color and this color. Actually, don't like green so much. What a waste. Yeah, I don't know. We will tweak that later. What we can do then is play with other parameters of the light. So this is the debug part. We can play with the intensity. So it's gonna be this one. Yeah, let's keep the color at the beginning. We don't need to listen to changes. Intensity. Min will be what? 0. Max should be 10. Yeah, nice. And then we can play with the decay, and the decay is on the light instance itself, I think. Decay, and the decay should be from 0 to 10 too. Maybe it's too much. We can test that anyway. So yeah, it's working. Like if we use a huge decay but also a huge intensity, no, it's not working as expected. Oh yeah, true, I forgot we animated the intensity, so it's a bit messy. The mix between decay and intensity is so weird. Yeah, I don't think I would change it a lot. We can play with the position too, so this is the base position. Yeah, let's just on the elevation. Oops. Yeah, okay. Light, position, Y, from 0 to 1. Is that it? Yeah. This way we can control the shadows. Yeah, see? You can have rough shadows, Actually, the initial setup was pretty cool, I think. We don't need too much shadows. Oh, that's nice. Should we add other parameters? Maybe for the portal, but actually I'm quite happy with the result of the portal. I don't think we need to change anything. We have other parameters. Actually, for the environment, let's not let the value. I think we can change the label. To do that, we need to do it here. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, you reveal progress. Come on, stop the animation. Yeah, I like it. I like it. We didn't test any tone mapping. Should we? Maybe that's not a good idea, actually. Not a huge difference. Let me see if I can get it from some other project. So long to add tone mappings to the debug UI. Tone mapping. Do I have one? Yeah, check that out. Like this. Stats panel. Poof. Yeah. Whoops. Okay, like this. Yeah, nice. So that we can test it live. I just took it from another project. I got lazy. So, linear, okay. Did it change anything? This is Renard, Cineon. Oh. Maybe too much, but why not? Yeah, why not? And ACES. I like this one, but maybe not with this kind of scene. Yeah, that's cool. Oh yeah, we need to fix that. We can't see the back of the metal sheets. What was the default? Yeah, I like it. ACES Filmic. Yeah, let's put this one. How much? 2.3? Okay. Not very realistic, but yeah, we can tweak that in the end anyway. Yeah, still have trouble with the shadows. Okay, that's cool. Really cool. Oh, it's not working. Oh yeah, it is. It's working even on this part. Yeah, that's cool actually. See that? It's being the tone mapping works on it. Yeah, in the end it does change this. This doesn't have any tone mapping. Yeah, that might be an issue. We need to add it to this one, and we can do that maybe fast if I can just take the include from the environment fragment color and tone mapping. Yeah, this one, and I think I can just add it to the portal, and it will be applied on the GL frag color itself. Maybe. Yeah, but now it's ugly. It's working, but maybe too much. Or maybe we need to add encoding too. No, that's weird. Dithering fragment. Let's add everything. We'll see how it goes. Nah, it's broken now. That's strange. Yeah, you know what? Let's keep the initial color. That was a bad idea. Yeah, so that we have the true colors. Yeah, we'll see. Maybe it's a bad idea to have it also apply on the reveal effect, but I think it's not that bad. So for now, let's keep it that way. All right, cool. Yeah, goo effect. I should have called it goo. Called this one plasma, but I should have called it goo. Yeah, I like this effect. I do that quite a lot when I can. Let's put it online. Git add all, git commit. What did we change? Add tweaks and tone mapping. And it should be live soon. Should be not that long. Oh, we uploaded the new GLTF, so yeah, the update might take a while. Here's the link again for those who want to test it live. How was it before I did that? Oh yeah, we just added tweaks, changed the color, the tone mapping, and changed the light. Yeah, do that. I'm actually surprised some people like that. Usually people are like, why are you doing that? Adding emotes in the commits. But I like to do that because it's sort of like categories. When I check the commits, I know I'm looking for something, I don't know, about new features. I know the emoji for new features, or if it's just like text, typos, etc. I know it's a speech balloon, so yeah, I like to do that. All right, cool. I give you the link in the chat. And I think we are done for today. I will probably stream tomorrow again, and we will do modeling. We will do the rest of the objects, like the object from Rick and Morty. We have the plumbus. We are going to add the car, the picker rig, the water gun, bottles. We're going to add some lights too, because this is way too green. I think having like small lights here and there will be really cool. Yeah, it was pretty cool. A bit boring, sorry, and I'll see you maybe tomorrow. Bye everyone.